I will teach you how to get paid between $400 to $600 with the fast-growing website called Temu. The Temu is an earning app and you can earn instant money from any part of the world, even if you are sleeping. It offers great bonuses and easy withdrawals. I will leave the link of Temu app in the description and in a pinned comment, so let's get started. What is the Temu affiliate program? First, let's briefly discuss the Temu affiliate program. Temu is an e-commerce platform that allows you to promote their products through affiliate links and earn commissions when people make purchases through those links. It's an easy program to join, and you don't need a large following to start earning money. What makes it appealing is the wide variety of affordable products they offer, which can appeal to nearly any audience. Getting started with the Temu affiliate program. Before diving into creating content, it's essential to first understand how the Temu affiliate program works and how you can sign up. This will give you the foundation to start earning commissions by promoting Temu's products effectively. A. Sign up for the Temu affiliate program. Find the Temu affiliate page. Head over to the official Temu website and look for their affiliate program link, which is typically found at the bottom of their homepage or in the site's menu. Alternatively, search for Temu affiliate program on Google. Apply for the program. Click on the affiliate sign-up page and fill in the necessary information. You'll need to provide your contact details, social media platforms, such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and agree to the terms and conditions. Affiliate dashboard access. Once you're approved, you'll gain access to an affiliate dashboard. This dashboard is where you can find your unique affiliate links, promotional banners, and sales tracking data. The affiliate link is crucial because it tracks the purchases made through your recommendation, enabling Temu to attribute sales to your account and pay you a commission. Getting your unique links. For each product you want to promote, you'll have a unique affiliate link that you can share with your audience. This link ensures that any sale made through your video or post is tracked and you get the affiliate commission. E. Choosing the right products to promote. Focus on trending or high-demand items. As a creator, it's important to promote products that will grab the attention of your target audience. Browse through Temu's catalog and identify trending items. This could include popular seasonal products, tech gadgets, fashion, beauty items, or anything that has a buzz on social media platforms. C. Generating your affiliate links. Once you've selected the products you want to promote, it's time to generate the affiliate links. These links are what will track your sales. Here's how to do it. Product page links. When browsing Temu's product catalog, each product will have a share or affiliate link button. Click on it and a link will be generated. 2. Creating engaging YouTube Shorts and TikToks. Now that you've signed up for the affiliate program and chosen products to promote, it's time to start creating engaging content. Both YouTube Shorts and TikToks are ideal platforms for short-form videos, and they provide you with a massive opportunity to reach a large audience quickly. Below is a step-by-step guide to help you craft high-quality, engaging content that will encourage viewers to purchase through your affiliate links. A. Planning your content. The first step in creating effective YouTube Shorts and TikToks is to plan your content. You need to be strategic about how you present the product to capture your audience's attention quickly. The key is to make the first few seconds of your video highly engaging, as both platforms prioritize fast-paced, attention-grabbing content. Research trending products. Use tools like TikTok's Discover page or YouTube Shorts trending feed to see what's popular right now. Incorporate these trending elements into your content by showcasing products that fit into viral trends or challenges. Understand your audience. Tailor your videos to your audience's preferences. For example, if you have a young tech-savvy following, promote gadgets and electronics. If your audience enjoys lifestyle or beauty content, focus on fashion, skincare, or home decor. Storyboarding your ideas. While your video will be short, it helps to sketch a quick outline of the scenes. Plan the following. Introduction. Grab attention right away. Show the product quickly with a hook like, "Want to see how this gadget changed my life in 30 seconds." Value proposition. Showcase the benefits of the product. Instead of just showing the product, explain why it's valuable or how it solves a common problem. The authentic. Viewers on YouTube Shorts and TikTok prefer authentic content. Don't make it feel overly salesy. Instead, show genuine excitement or curiosity about the product to build trust with your audience. B. Recording your video. Once you've planned your content, it's time to start recording your video. Both platforms emphasize vertical video formats, so make sure to record in portrait mode 9:16 aspect ratio to ensure your content is optimized for viewing. Show the product in action. It's more effective to show the product being used rather than simply talking about it. People like to see how something works in real-life situations. For a kitchen gadget, record yourself using the product to make a recipe or simplify a task. For a tech gadget, show how the product performs in a practical setting. If you're promoting a fitness item, show how it fits into your workout routine. If it's clothing, do a quick try-on or outfit transformation to showcase the product. Add a personal touch. Talk about why you like the product or how it fits into your daily life. Personal recommendations work well because they show that you genuinely believe in the product. C. Editing your video. Once you have your footage, you'll want to use a video editor to polish it. The editing process is where you can make your video stand out with engaging visuals, effects, and professional touches. CapCut Free. Cut and Trim CapCut allows you to trim your clips to keep only the most essential parts. Cut out pauses, errors, or unnecessary segments to maintain a smooth flow. Add text and captions. Use CapCut's built-in text feature to add information about the product, including its name, price, and a call to action like link in bio. Special effects. You can also add transitions, filters, and visual effects to make your video pop. Keep these effects light to maintain the focus on the product. InShot Free Paid. Text overlays and music. You can add catchy music and overlay text to emphasize key points about the product. Consider using upbeat, trending tracks to align with TikTok and YouTube Shorts algorithms. Speed adjustments. Use InShot to speed up your video or create time-lapse effects to make a task or product demo more dynamic. C. Adding the call to action and hashtags. Call to action. This is crucial for converting views into affiliate sales. You can either verbally say something like "get yours through the link in my bio" or use text like "check out my bio for an exclusive deal." Hashtags. Use relevant and trending hashtags to increase discoverability. Some effective hashtags could include affiliate link, Temu, product review, or product-specific ones like tech gadgets or fashion finds. On TikTok, look for trending hashtags that align with the product you're showcasing. E. Publishing and tracking performance. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload it to both YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Make sure your affiliate link is included in the video description or bio. Additionally, use any available analytics tools to track how well your video is performing, which products are selling, and how you can optimize your strategy for more conversions. This expanded guidance should give you a more detailed roadmap for launching and promoting products through the Temu affiliate program on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. How to promote Temu products. Creating content that effectively promotes Temu products involves more than just showing off a product. You want to create videos that resonate with your audience while seamlessly integrating your affiliate links. First, focus on authenticity. People are more likely to click on your affiliate link if they feel you're genuinely interested in the product and believe it will benefit them. Show the product in action, whether it's a quick demo or a review highlighting its features and benefits. The more real and relatable you can make the content, the better. Create engaging content. On both YouTube and TikTok Shorts, you need to create short, engaging videos. These platforms are designed for quick, snackable content, so think about showcasing the product in use, providing quick reviews, or comparing it to similar items. Be authentic and give your real opinions. People appreciate honesty, and it will help build trust with your audience. Always include a clear call to action in your videos. Remind viewers to check out the link in your bio or description to purchase the product through your affiliate link. You can even add a visual cue like a text overlay with your affiliate link or a promo code. The goal is to make it easy for viewers to click through and make a purchase. Your content should provide value to your viewers. Don't just push the product for the sake of earning a commission. Focus on solving a problem or providing a benefit to your audience. For example, if you're promoting a home improvement product, show how it makes a task easier or saves time. To give you an idea of what works, let's take a look at some creators already promoting products on these platforms and earning money through both affiliate commissions and ad revenue. Channel name Max Stacks. This YouTuber focuses on reviewing affordable tech gadgets, and they often feature products from Temu in their videos. They provide a quick demo of the product, highlight its features, and then link to the Temu affiliate page in the video description. They also mention a promo code for an additional discount, which encourages their viewers to click and buy. Over time, their channel has grown due to the consistent, valuable content, and their affiliate sales have become a major income stream. TikTok example. Creator name Homestyle Finds. This TikTok user focuses on home decor and lifestyle products. They frequently post videos showcasing Temu's affordable yet stylish home items. Their videos are fast-paced, visually appealing, and often show the transformation of a room or space using products from Temu. They include an affiliate link in their bio, and their posts consistently receive high engagement, which translates into sales. These examples show that with consistency, a niche focus, and high-quality content, it's possible to earn money from both the affiliate program and ad revenue. In conclusion, the Temu affiliate program offers a fantastic opportunity for content creators to earn money by promoting affordable products that appeal to a wide audience. By creating engaging and authentic content on platforms like YouTube and TikTok Shorts, you can build trust with your viewers and generate affiliate commissions. With consistent effort, creative strategies, and a focus on providing value, you can also earn ad revenue, making this a great way to diversify your income streams. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so be patient and stay committed to providing quality content. The more you learn and adapt, the better your results will be. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with anyone interested in making money through affiliate marketing. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give the Temu affiliate program a try. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on the Temu affiliate program and start your journey today.